First, ensure each user has their own unique Dropbox account. This is crucial for individual access and privacy. If they don't have one yet, they can easily sign up for a free account on the Dropbox website. On the Windows 10 computer, log in with the first user's Windows credentials, then download and install the Dropbox desktop application. Once installed, the first user will sign in to their Dropbox account within the application. During the initial setup, Dropbox will create a dedicated Dropbox folder within this user's profile. This folder will automatically synchronize with their Dropbox cloud storage. Now, to set this up for the second user, we need to switch user accounts. Go to the Start menu, click on your user icon, and select the option to switch accounts. Log in with the second user's Windows credentials. Once logged into the Windows desktop for the second user, open the Dropbox desktop application again. It will prompt you to sign in. This time, the second user will sign in with their own unique Dropbox account credentials. Dropbox will then create a separate Dropbox folder, this one located within the second user's Windows profile, and begin synchronizing their files independently. Repeat this exact process for the third user, logging into their Windows account and signing into their individual Dropbox. You'll see distinct Dropbox folders for each user, ensuring their files are separate and only accessible by them through their respective Dropbox accounts. This way, everyone on the Windows 10 computer gets their own synchronized cloud storage, keeping personal and shared files beautifully managed.